Good morning, everybody. And if you have made it this far, thank you so much for following my India series. I had the absolute best time, and keep watching till the end because there is some really exciting information coming up that you will just want to see. So with that, this is the final part, me flying from Delhi back home here to Siem Reap. I hope you enjoy it.
I'm not sure if I'm going to make the airport. So you see this guy here with the white shirt on. He is my driver. This car, I'm not sure it's going to make the airport. It keeps stalling and cutting out, and then he goes to change the gear and it grinds. And he's had a row with two people, couldn't get across the lights. And now he's like, you just sit in the car for 2 minutes. I'll be 2 minutes. I will be back. Oh my God, only in India, right? I got picked up at 7 o'clock and came straight out to Delhi Airport. Security and passport control was fabulous. I went through in about 45 minutes, which I think for Delhi Airport is kind of spectacular, shall I say. I've heard all sorts of things, but you do get separated from your belongings. So you've got to take out all your electronics and your liquids. Liquids are normal, but it's not just laptops and phones, it's cameras, cables, plugs, everything. You've then got to set them off down a chute, and ladies have got to go off to a different queue and then go into a cupboard, and a lady kind of half-heartedly puts a wand over you to check that you've got anything on you. And then you can get reunited with your electronics, your purse, your wallet, everything, which to me was a little bit dodgy. But I got through 45 minutes from being dropped off to now being on the other side of security, which is good. I've now just got to go through and find my gate because this airport is massive. So come on, let's find my gate. I don't even know which one it is. Maybe I should have a look on my boarding pass, eh? I'm at the gate, but I feel a bit like a naughty little schoolgirl. Bear with me. I have got an iced caramel cappuccino, and it is almost 9 o'clock at night. And I would tell you I've got a chocolate chip cookie as well, but I don't want to incriminate myself anymore. So I'm at gate 10A, and I think I've got about an hour before boarding starts. I really thought that actually immigration and security and everything was going to be a bit of a nightmare. But I literally flew through from being dropped off to getting through the other side and starting to head towards my gate in 45 minutes, which I thought was pretty good for Delhi Airport. But I am really looking forward to getting back. Can you tell I'm tired? And you can probably hear that I'm still a little croaky, just watching everybody walk down. I feel like I've been away from home, Siem Reap, for ages. And because I haven't brought my laptop, I haven't looked at any of the footage that I've done over this last 10 days. You could have had a lot of footage, or you could have had something not very good at all. So by the time you've listened to me say this, hopefully you'll have watched my entire India collection and you'll be blown away and think it's really amazing. Either that, or I'll be putting this in going, this is all you got, because the rest was rubbish. I'm going to drink my coffee, I'm going to eat my cookie and wait to get on the plane. The flight has been delayed by about half an hour leaving Delhi. I think it's because the plane arrived late, but I'm not sure because I couldn't hear properly. We're just boarding now, which is an hour and a half late, and we've missed our takeoff spot as well. So it's going to be such a long day, but I'm glad we're boarding now.
Vietnam Airlines.
Thank you.
Yeah.
On board, settled in. I've got an aisle seat in the middle. Perfect. So hopefully I will be able to get a little bit of sleep on my flight. We're almost there, 25 minutes, and we'll be landing in Ho Chi Minh. Good morning. I am now in Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam. The flight didn't land too much later than it would have done originally without the delay. Oh my word, there is a story. So I was told that because the flight was delayed by 4.5 hours, that the airline should supply lounge access or a food voucher or something. So I arrived, I went to the lounge, they knew nothing about it, but they said that there was a member of staff from Cambodian Airways at gate 23. So I've come down to gate 23 just to be told no foods will be laid on, no drinks will be laid on, and I have to sit here at the gate for the full 6.5 hours. So this is me. I've just done a 4.5 hour flight. I am waiting for a 1 hour, 20-minute flight back to Siem Reap. And I've got to sit here on this chair for the next 6.5 hours. It would almost have been just as quick to go to the bus station and jump on a bus. But never mind. I hope that the flight doesn't get delayed any longer. And I'm hoping to be back in Cambodia at around 12:30, 1 o'clock this afternoon. It is now, what time is it now? It is now 8:30 in the morning. So if the flight had originally not been changed by the airline, I would already be in the air by now, on my way back. I'm so tired. Didn't sleep at all on the flight. So I'm going to sit here, put my head on my backpack and try and get a little bit of sleep because I'm exhausted. So this is the second flight of the day that has been delayed. We should be actually up in the air by now, but we are probably running about half an hour to 45 minutes late. Story of my life. Finally on board. I can't wait to get home.
Thank you so much for staying with me and watching the entire series. And if you haven't, there is a link just here to the playlist for the whole India series. If you enjoyed it, how would you like to do the same trip yourself? So right now, I am planning to run this India trip myself next year, which will be in 2026, October, November time. If you are interested, drop me an email at nanwithabackpack just to let me know that you are interested. Early next year, as soon as I have all the information, I will send you over a response with the exact dates, the price, and all the details that you will need to book your very own India adventure. So thank you very much again for following. I absolutely had the best time ever on my trip to India, and hopefully next year, 2026, you'll be able to do the same. I will see you in the next one. Bye.